What have you done with my daughter?
Nothing. She's done it all to herself, trading her voice away, and for what? Human heartbreak.
Give her back to me.
Not on. It so happens that your daughter signed a contract.
No!
Even drew a little heart above the eye. Is it binding? Goodness, yes. Unbreakable, unless
Unless?
there is a little something we could try.
Go on.
Yes. Perhaps we could arrange a sort of trade-up. Maybe swap your daughter's soul for, say, your own.
What?
Sign the scroll and set her free, or else she comes with me to suffer through eternity alone. A mute little hatchling drowning in her own sorrow, with no voice left to cry out in pain. Well, I'm waiting.
It's not my soul you're after. It's my power.
Now, which would you rather be? King of the sea or father to your little girl?
Ariel.
Finally, the ocean belongs to me! And now you poor unfortunate soul, time's up, you're through. Now the power of Poseidon has been once again made whole. All the magic of the trident and the shell in my control. And now dark shall reign forever over ocean, sea, and soul. Now see for yourself how banishment feels. You poor unfortunate magic now.
My voice, the spell is broken.
Give me back my shell.
If this breaks, you die.
You believe that? After all the lies he's told you?
Lies. What lies?
You told her the world above was his. And what was it instead? He would say anything to turn you against the prince and his kind. Why, he's shameless. He'd even say that they murdered your mother.
Wait, if humans didn't kill her, then who did?
It was you, wasn't it? Blaming humans was actually you.
Who? Moi? Why, I couldn't hurt every minute.